Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have submitted week 3 extra assignment, but it's showing that I have not submitted it.
Have you contacted with the support team?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Three
So
to
what?
4 days ago, but they don't have replied.
They have not replied. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just send me a mail with the screenshot and everything. I'll just send it to the support team. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay then. Good evening, everyone.
Evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay.
I had submitted it on 7 August.
Yeah, yeah. Just send me the screenshot. Like, send me a mail with the issue and the screenshot. Okay. I'll just forward it to the support team. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Oh,
can you paste your ID, email
okay.
ID?
Huh. Okay. I have pasted. Just mail me. Okay.
And ma'am, the chronology of the videos of week 12 is mismatched in Hindi and in English.
The like how?
Ma'am, in lecture 1 of week 12,
Hmm.
ma'am is telling something else and the professor is telling something else. In that
Oh,
video, there is some other topics, and in English one there is other topic.
you're saying that professor is teaching some like some topic and in Hindi it's something different.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Okay. Let me just check.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt regarding the syllabus.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, in the graded assignment, there a question of hypergeometric distribution, but in the syllabus it is not mentioned. So, in this 30 in this end term exam, is hypergeometric distribution there?
End term hypergeometric, yeah, it's there.
Okay, and normal distribution is there.
Normal, it's not there.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Mm.
Hello, ma'am.
It's there. The videos are matching. Why? Why you're saying that the videos are not matching? She is teaching uniform distribution, right? And ma'am has also taught you uniform distribution. So how it's not matching? Can you just tell me? Krish, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just checked, but it's same only.
Ma'am, have you searched via the link or the playlist?
No, from the playlist only. I just like clicked on the link, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Ma'am,
it's
can you send that link or
sorry.
can you send that link, ma'am,
Which link?
of the Hindi one that you have watched?
12 point for the lecture, like lecture one, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll just on in the chat box. I'll just paste it. Just watch it. Okay. It's not a list, like it's not a playlist, but yeah, means this is the lecture one that I saw from the uh, portal. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. So,
Okay,
huh?
ma'am.
we'll discuss week 11 doubt.
Yeah, yeah. It's today we will discuss week 11 doubt session. Yeah.
Okay, I have some doubts
Yeah,
regarding.
yeah. So we will start with it. Okay. So any other doubts other than like Okay, let's go with the week 11 doubt session. Then after that, I'll take the extra
Excuse
doubts.
me, ma'am.
Okay.
Just a small question. The week 10, 9 to 12, the what weightage will it carry roughly in the intern? Roughly, according to previous years also.
Like
Roughly.
80%, 80%, 85%. 80%.
Week,
Yeah. Maximum
week 9 to
80%.
12 is 80%.
Yeah.
And the rest is the week 1 to 8.
Week 9. Just a second. Mm,
Is it the statistics paper only of the end term I'm asking?
it will be
Here
like,
I'm
no.
what
It's like from 40% from the week 1 to 8 and 60% from the week 9 to 12. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Shelly.
Ma'am, I have doubt in activity questions.
Yeah. I'm just coming back to that only. So we will just okay, I'll just start with the doubt session for week 11. Okay. And we will be going week by week. Okay. Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Then,
okay, ma'am.
so, so let's go with week, week 11, right? Okay. So anyone having doubts in activity 11.1?
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt in fifth question of activity 11.1.
Fifth question, let the BMF of a random variable x be given by this. Now define a Bernoulli random variable y as this, where a belongs to the positive integer. For what value of a Bernoulli trial of y be considered as the most uncertain Bernoulli trial? Okay, we need uncertainty. Fine. Just a second. Just a second, I'll just present my screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
And just a small question: is the week 11 graded assignment mandatory to submit because it was somehow written first 10 best will be considered? Just asking.
Yeah, correct. Best 10.
Means if I by chance cannot submit week 11 assignment, will it be a problem?
Ma'am,
No, they
best
won't.
10 or first 10 means first 10.
First 10. From the first 10, it's important they will evaluate according to the first 10 graded assignment. But if you submit the graded assignment of like 11 and 12, so it will help you in the exam. That's it.
No, like any marks from the week 11, week 12 GA will be added in the exam. Is it something like that?
No.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, in the question, they are asking you the uncertainty. Okay. So what do you mean by uncertainty? Okay. So first thing is we know, okay, for a binomial it is, right? Bernoulli trial, uncertain Bernoulli trial. Okay. So what is a Bernoulli trial?
Okay. Where is success and failure
Ma'am,
only?
success and failure.
We have success and we have failure, correct? We have two things. Now, we have success and failure. So first of all, if we have to calculate the uncertainty in the sense if I say my probability of success is like 0.9. So I am certain that like it's like there it is saying that 90% of my that the trial is like success. Like I have a surety here, right? But if my P is like 0.5, what do you mean by this? Like 50% I have a chance that it is a success and 50% chance I have it is a failure, correct? So I am uncertain about this. So at P equals to 0.5, we say that it's an uncertain Bernoulli trial. You got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we need to so at P equals to 0.5, we have the largest variance. Okay, largest variance. Why? Because we are uncertain whether it's a failure or whether it's a success. Like it's a like uncertainty here. Okay. So we need to calculate P equals to 0.5. Now, so what you have to do, we have been given, I won't be calculating the whole thing. I'll just give you an idea. Is it fine? Because I have to
Okay.
calculate everything. So what the things that they have given that probability of X equals to X, and we have been given the PMF, correct? Which is 0.1. Then we have 0.2. Then we have 0.2, 0.3, and 0.2. For what values? For X equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Correct? Now, what is Y? Y is basically what? It will take value 1 if my X is less than equal to A, and it will take value 0 if X is greater than A. Now I need to find out the value of this A. Okay. For what value of A, this Bernoulli trial is my uncertain. Okay. So now what is this? Basically, I need to calculate probability of X less than equal to A. What is this? This is actually CDF, I can say, cumulative. How do I represent a CDF? CDF is like Fx,
Of
which is
X. Yes.
probability of X less than equal to A, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is actually my CDF. So one thing you have to do first, what you have to calculate, you have to calculate the CDF of this point. Okay. You have to calculate the CDF. Fx you have to calculate. Okay. You will be getting points for X equals to, like, it will be like X greater than 1, then from 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4.
Ma'am, X less than 1.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So you have to calculate these value. You will be getting a value. Now, they are asking for uncertain. When it is uncertain, when we have the probability equals to 0.5, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you have to, like, so here you will be having one value as 0.5. So at that point, I will be having the uncertain Bernoulli trial. So at what point I am having 0.5 value? That point you have to, that will be my value of A. Got the point?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah? Yeah.
Ma'am, here as you write 0.5 in the interval between 2 to 3. So, in this case, my answer will be 2.
Aha.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. I will calculate it.
Yeah, just calculate and let me know, okay? If you're able to do it or not. Otherwise, okay
Ma'am,
then.
we calculate means at this time, means I will do it later.
Okay, fine. Yeah, it's fine then. If you have any doubts, then you can just tell me. Okay. So, okay, this was one doubt. So, any doubts, any other doubts in 11.1 activity? Shelly, if you don't like, you can just lower your hands. So, activity wise, you can just use your hands.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubts from 11.1? Anyone? Shall I move forward to 11.2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Have you guys solved the questions? I'm just asking. Like nobody's speaking anything.
Yes, ma'am.
I need to know. Other than Shelly? Any other? What about other students?
I am completed till 4.
You are not audible. Uh,
Completed till 4.
till you have completed till 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so till 4 you don't have any doubts like 11.2. Anybody having any doubts from activity 11.2?
Ma'am, I have a dot question number 2 only of 11.2.
Let X be a binomial and Px has the following CDF. Find the value of P. Okay, I'll just tell you the method. Fine. I'll not just solve anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have doubt on 11.1 activity question number five. how we find the A value?
Have you joined it? Have you joined the class right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll just repeat it once again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just a second. Yeah. Tell me.
Just for confirmation, so that no mistake is there, could you please confirm if these distributions only are there in the final enter? Binomial, can I tell?
Discrete is everything is there. Continuous everything is there except normal. That's it. Okay.
So, ma'am, binomial distribution will be there,
Yes.
Poisson will be there, uniform will be there,
Yes.
exponentiation will be there, and hypergeometric will also be there.
Everything will be there except
मैम
normal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
मैम वीक 1 to 12 में जो हुआ है वो तो आएगा ही ना,
हाँ.
जो मैम ने पढ़ाया है।
हम्म.
तो मैम ये क्या चीज का हो रहा है, या ये नहीं आएगा वो नहीं आएगा,
He is just
कुछ
asking.
एक्सेप्शन है क्या मैम?
No. He is just asking if normal distribution is coming or not. That's it. Okay. So I'll just repeat question
Excuse
5.
me, ma'am. Yeah, before you said that everything will be there except one portion, right? I did not hear what was that.
Normal distribution.
Okay.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Actually, I was asking because hypergeometric was not mentioned in the syllabus. So, any other distribution that is not mentioned in the website syllabus but is still there, just
Hypergeometric is not in the website syllabus.
no, ma'am. It is not mentioned, explicitly not mentioned. Actually, the word is not there.
Where is the syllabus?
Means IIT Madras official website only, the week 1 to
Uh,
12, the course page that is there.
So they must have mentioned the week wise, right? Week 1 to 12 is
Yes,
coming.
ma'am.
Like
No,
that.
ma'am, week 11 this much, week 12 this much, like week wise only they have mentioned.
Okay, I'll just look into it. But hypergeometric is coming. Only normal distribution is not coming. Other than that, every discrete and continuous is coming, which are in the syllabus, like which are in the lectures. Okay.
Which are in the lectures except normal, everything is coming.
Huh.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
The normal distribution, does that include the uniform distribution or not, like the exponential distribution, or just normal distribution?
Normal distribution is a different distribution than uniform and
मैम
exponential.
आई हैव सेंड द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ
Yeah, but
सिलेबस
it's coming in the same week. That's it.
Sorry.
Like week 12.
Yeah, what I said except normal distribution, every distribution is coming.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me just complete with the activity and then we will discuss the extra things. Okay. Let me just complete this thing. Okay, I'm just going to repeat this 11.1 question 5. So what things we have been given? We have been given probability of x equals to x. This is the PMF we have been given. And we have a variable y, which is what? If x is less than equal to a, it will take value 1. If x is greater than a, it will take value 0. Now, first thing is okay, first thing. Okay, first thing is when we say that it is uncertain when p equals to 0.5. Why p equals to 0.5? Because we have a 50, like it's a 50-50% chance, right? So we have a 50% chance of for success and 50% chance of being failure. So that's why we are uncertain about this. So we have to look for a value. So first of all, we have to look for a value of y there where my probability is like 0.5. Now, what is y? Y is like x less than a, which is the CDF. So you will be calculating the CDF and find out the value, like at what point I am getting value 0.5. So at that point, I will be having the uncertain Bernoulli trial. Fine. The person who asked me again, who recently joined.
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. The next question, which was activity 11.2, question number 2, guess, right?
Ma'am, question number 1
Yes.
also I have doubt.
1 and 2, like both are same. So what we have been given? We have been given the fx, correct? we have been given the fx with like for x less than equals to 0, then 0 to 1 till like x
5.
greater than 5. So first thing is you will be calculating the PDF, PMF, which is fx, small fx you will be calculating. Okay. For each value for x equals to 0, then x equals to 1, 2 till 5. Okay. Now, the other thing is you have to calculate the value of n, you have to calculate the value of p. Now, it's a binomial thing. Okay. So for a binomial, what is the formula like equation of PMF for a binomial?
NCI
NCX
to the power x.
P to the
P to
power
the power x 1 minus P
1 minus
minus.
P to the power n minus n.
Okay, so just take one value. So this is what? So I have been given probability of x equals to 5 equals to NC5 p raised to the power 5 1 minus p raised to the power n minus 5. This value we have calculated. So we'll be calculating one value of here. Okay, so like when you calculate, just put that value here. Just if you calculate this value, let's suppose this is a, so this a equals to nc5 p raised to the power 5 1 minus p raised to the power n minus 5. When you calculate this value, you will be getting the value of n, then you will be getting the value of p. Okay. N is n here will be what? N is the number of trials, right? So if you see, I'm
Right.
going from 0 to 5. So basically, I am having n equals to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, maximum like my value of k is 5. So it will be 5 only, right? So my n is actually 5. But if you have to calculate the value of p, you will be calculating through this formula.
Ma'am, are we find like how do we find the value of n? Like, what is the logic behind it?
Okay, so n is what? N is the maximum value, correct? That
Yes.
Yes,
Bernoulli.
ma'am.
So if I'm representing S is binomial with n comma p. So n is what? The number of trials. So if I make PDF, like let's suppose I'm having this probability of x equals to x something. So I will be like calculating all the values of x, like for 1, 2, 3. So still probability of x equals to some value, that is n. The, just a second. Just take n as the maximum value. So I'm having x for value 0, 1, 2, 3, and like 4 and 5, right? So n will be what? N will be my maximum value here, which is 5. Okay, so this is my n. You got the point?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and okay, so is 11 question 2 clear to everyone? Any doubts?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one more
in the
thing.
third question,
We are finding the value of p, right? So we have to find when n is equal to 5 or what?
Yeah, you can calculate for n equals to 5. So that will be much easier, right? So this will be what? Some value of a, like the value that PMF, then 5C5, p raised to the power 5, and 1 minus p raised to the power 5 minus 5, which is 0. So this will be what? 1, p raised to the power 5 into this will be also 1, correct? So I will be like left out with the value of p raised to the power 5. So it will be easy for me, right, to calculate the value of p,
Okay.
right?
So
Like
even
p
if we
so
don't take 5, we take any other value, it is also fine.
it is fine, but it will be difficult for you to solve the equation. Then you will have a big equation and everything. Then you have to calculate
Okay.
the values. Yeah. So just take that value in which you have only one variable. So there is no equation. Like we get some questions, right?
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
on Friday we did some questions, right? In which we had to calculate the value of P and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
You remember that? So what we did, we took the value of I guess NC. hmm, like we took 5C, like somewhat some value of like my n was equal to this thing, right? Or I took the value of like when my nc is 0, this value also I took, so that I'm having only a small equation so that I can solve the problem easily. Okay, so just take that value which is easy to solve. Okay.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
uh, if it is p to the power 5 equal to, if we take n a equal to 1, that
P
is final and
equals to one.
greater than equal to 5, so that a equal to 1 equal to p to the power 5, then value of p is 1.
What?
Mean ma'am, value of a is 1 as mentioned in the question.
Where
last
it is mentioned?
last step question.
Which question you are talking about?
In this question, ma'am.
This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Where I have mentioned a equals to 1.
Can you show the not, no, no, ma'am. One sec, ma'am. Ma'am, it's question of 11.2, question number 1.
Question number 1, the value of n.
Yeah, ma'am. And value of n is 5. It is
Yeah.
clearly seen. But I have to find value of p. And for
Value.
that, we use PMF formula,
Hmm.
in which I am saying like n equal to 5 and x equal to also 5.
Okay.
Then
Yes.
the last min a value of a will be 1.
Why a value of a will be 1?
Ma'am,
It is a PMF, not a CDF. We are
okay, okay,
calculating the
okay.
PMF. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So first you have to, from the CDF, you have to calculate the PMF. Then you have to equate the value with probability of x equals to 5. Okay. Then you have to calculate the value of p. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, just a small doubt. How do we calculate the value of a from the given from the capital F of x?
Okay. So I've been given fx, correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
just remember this formula. There is one formula to calculate the PMF. Okay. So what is that formula? It is, so if I have to calculate probability of x equals to k, it will be equal to fk minus fk minus 1. So if I'm having, so I will be having some values here, right? Let's suppose this is A, B, C, D, E. So if I have to calculate probability of x equals to 0, it will be what? B minus A. Okay. Similarly, probability of x equals to 1, it will be C minus B. Okay. You just have to subtract it.
Got it, got it. Thank you.
You got it? Okay. In the PMF, what we are doing, we are just adding the numbers, correct? And if I have the sum, if I have to calculate the probabilities, what I would be doing, I'll just do the opposite thing. I will be subtracting it. That's it. Got
Okay,
it?
got it.
Yeah.
Got it, got it.
Okay. So 11.2 is clear to everyone. Any other doubts?
Ma'am, third question, ma'am. Find the value of Q. What is Q?
What is Q?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. In the
What is,
third question, 11.2
okay.
activity.
So what is P?
Q, ma'am.
No, I'm asking you, what is P? Probability of what?
Probability.
Probability of,
Probability of success.
probability of success. Correct. So this is probability of success. And Q will be what? It is the probability of failure.
Failure.
Okay. So if I have from the second, like from question second, I have calculated the value of P, correct? I would be having some value X. Now, if you have to calculate the Q will be 1 minus P. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. And just remember that my value of P plus Q will be equal to 1. Okay.
Okay,
So-
ma'am.
Okay. So anything else?
Ma'am, a small doubt in the fourth question. How do we find the for my question it given
Hello. Joel, you are muted.
yes ma'am.
Ah.
In the question it is given as P of X is greater than or equal to 3 for my question.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I
Same. It's for everyone, I guess. So, hello.
yes ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Just a minute.
uh,
Yeah, so I have a doubt in how to find that.
sorry, you were muted, so I couldn't get you. Can you just repeat it once again?
Yeah, I have a doubt in how to find the fourth question.
Okay. Fourth question, it is asking probability of X less than equal to, sorry, greater than equal to. So fourth question is probability X greater than equal to 3. So I can write this as 1 minus probability of X less than 3. Right?
Yes ma'am.
Can I write it? Yeah. So just what you can do, you just so probability X less than 3. What is X less than 3? It will be probability of X equals to 1. Like I will be calculating all the values 0, then for 1, for 2. Correct? Or what you can do, probability of X greater than 3, you can take probability of X equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5, like that. You can calculate.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Yeah. So 11.2 is clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. No, so can I proceed with the 11.3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubts in 11.3?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have doubt in second question, fourth question, and fifth question.
Give me a
Ma'am,
second.
second question.
Just give me a second.
Yes, ma'am. Second question, fourth question, and fifth question.
Choose the correct statement from the following. X is a binomial 6 comma 0.3. The graph of the distribution is X. Okay. So there are few things. Okay. If my P is less than 0.5, my graph will be right skewed. Okay. If my P is greater than 0.5, it will be left skewed. Okay. And if my P is equals to 0.5, it will be symmetric. Okay. Now, if you see there, and one more thing, if my N increases, the graph will tend to be symmetric. Okay. These are my like few points. So if you see in the question, they are saying that my X is similar to binomial 6 comma 0.3. Okay. So if I'm having value, so in the first, I'm having X is following binomial with 6 comma 0.3. So this value is what? My P. So is it greater than 0.5 or less than 0.5?
Less than 0.5.
It is less than 0.5. So if I'm having less than 0.5, I can say it is right skewed. Fine? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what they have increased the value. They have increased the value of N and the probability P is same, that is 0.3. So if my n increases from 6 to 60, if my n increases, it will tend to be symmetric. Okay? It will
Yes,
not
ma'am.
be symmetric, but it will tend to symmetric. Is it?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Question.
have a doubt in question 5.
I
Question.
have question 4.
Ma'am, can you repeat this? How it becomes symmetric?
If my P is less than 0.5, it is right skewed. If it is greater than 0.5, it is left skewed. And if it's equal to 0.5, it is symmetric. Okay. So if you see here, my X is similar to binomial 6 comma 0.3. So what is my P? P is 0.3, which is less than 0.5. So that's why it is right skewed. And when my N increases, that graph will tend to be symmetric. Okay.
Ma'am, but in the class, sir has told that large N and small p should be different thing, and N doesn't affect P.
Sorry.
Ma'am, here how N affects the graph of P.
The number of trial is getting increased, right? If my number of trial is getting increased, my skewness, right? If my variance uh so if you calculate the skewness, it will be like you will be having some formula if you calculate the value of skewness, it be something divided by n. So if my n tends to infinity, this will tends to normal. Okay, so that's why when we say like if my n increases, it will tend to be symmetric. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, question 4th and question 5th. 4th and 5th.
Okay. Question 4th and 6th. Companies planning. I think question 3rd is all. Okay. So find the shape of the
First, ma'am, question 4th.
Yeah. So what is my P here according to the question?
Ma'am, can you please show the question? I have actually written the question numbers which I have doubted in it.
Okay, just a second. I'll just share screen. This is the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So for this, what is my value of P? According to the question.
Greater than 0.5.
It's 0.65, right? So if I
0.65.
so if I need to find out whether it is left skewed, symmetric, or right skewed, what I will be doing? I will be seeing if my
Okay,
value.
ma'am. We will check if it is greater than 0.5 or less than 0.5.
हाँ, ठीक है? Okay. Now, suppose that 4.5% of people living in a particular city on a greater survey has been conducted to know that the brand of cars people use in the city, whether by the 12% being interviewed during the survey's second one to know. Okay. Mhm. Living in a city on Krita. The survey has been conducted to know what brand of cars people use in the city, what is the probability that during the survey's second one to Krita. This what means the point. The probability of success. Okay. Okay, so according to the question, they are saying that 4.5% of the people own Creta. Okay, now the question is, the survey has been conducted to know what brand of cars people use in the city. So we have to calculate the probability that the 12%, okay, is the 12th person owns the is the second one. He is the second one to own the Creta. Okay, so that means the 11% from the 11th person, like, okay, there is one person who is owning a Creta, one Creta, and the second person will be the, like, the 12th person, that he will be the second person to own the Creta, correct? So okay, so first of all, what is P here? P is what? My probability of success, which is owning a Creta. So what is P here? Value of P?
4.5.
4.5. Won't it be like,
0.65.
0.045.
yeah, it will be 0.045. Okay, can I ask you something? I just remember it. Has the scores been updated? Can you just look like in the dashboard?
What, ma'am?
The scores of graded assignment 9. Can you just please check?
Yes, ma'am, it's there.
Yes, ma'am, updated.
GA9 is updated, ma'am.
Now it's
GA10 is not yet updated.
GA10, it will be updated later on, but GA9, the problem has been solved, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is nothing, no issues. Okay, fine. Okay then. So what is it? So we have 0.05. Now they are saying that, so like from 11C1, like from the 11th person, I have to calculate the probability that the first person got the like the first person owns the one first Creta, right? So it will be 11C1 0.05 raised to the power 1 into 1 minus 0.045 raised to the power 10. Okay, so this is for the probability that my x is equals to 1, like the 11th like from the 11th person, I have a one person who is owning the one first Creta. Now into like they are already saying that the 12th person is the second person who is owning the second Creta. That is, it is the probability of success. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So you have
ma'am.
to multiply it by P. So when you calculate this value, you will be getting the probability that the 12th person is the second person who is owning the second Creta. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, simply we find the value of this and multiply that with P.
P.
It's the last step I didn't get it.
Sorry?
Ma'am, the last step I didn't get it.
Last.
Means here the multiplication of.
You're talking about this thing.
No, ma'am, this is clear, but why
Hmm.
you multiply this with P?
Because we have to we have to calculate for the 12th person, right? We have to calculate the probability that the 12th person is the second person. So I have to calculate everything. So I have taken a situation in the first person. The first person has got the first Creta and the second person has got the second Creta. So I have to calculate that probability, right? You got the point? So first, we have to take, like, from the 11th person, we have to choose one person who have got the first Creta. Then multiply that the 12th person is the second person who have got the second Creta. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. What is it?
Ma'am, what is pravartak?
Sorry?
Pravartak. I am getting mail from that side of IIT Madras.
Can you repeat once again what? Okay, so 11.3 is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent the screenshot.
What you have sent? Is it regarding the activity questions? Sorry, I'm not. I don't know about this thing. Okay, so now let's move forward to activity question 11.4. Anybody having any doubts in 4? In activity 11.4, have anyone having any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then let's move forward to 11.5.
I haven't any doubt.
Okay, what about others?
No, ma'am. I also don't have any doubt.
Okay, fine. Then 11.6.
I'm in 11.6. I'm doubting calculation part of question 5. Means how to calculate this in the scientific calculator. It's a bit lengthy. That's why.
Suppose we draw 8 cards from a bag without replacement, then what is the probability of getting less than 3 space? I guess I have solved this question, right?
I solved it, but how to calculate it in scientific calculator means the factorial part and divide part. That's what I.
Scientific calculator, but like in the exam you're asking.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I solved this question, but the calculation part means how I calculate this 39C6 and
That you have to like write all the values, right? So I'm having these kind of values. So you just have to like write it down, like all the things
can you please show it? How can I do it in scientific calculator?
like scientific calculator.
Ma'am, you can find it from Google if you write the scientific calculator for GATE examination.
Okay, just let me just write. Okay, you have this. Exponential. Okay, there is no factorial, it's there, but C is not there. Okay. So then it's like you have to calculate it like, so you have to open all these values, right? So probability of x equals to 0. It will be what? 13C0 is what? 1. Then it is 39C8 divided by 52C8. Then you have to open it. It will be 39 factorial divided by 8 factorial, 31 factorial, right? Divided by.
But ma'am, when I calculate 39 factorial individually,
Hmm.
it gives a large value, means in e terms plus means you can see.
See, in the exam, you won't be getting these huge values. Okay. So don't worry about that. This is like an activity question. So you have a calculator on your phone, you have everything, correct? So with that, you can calculate it easily, right? With
Yeah.
a phone and everything, right? But in the like exam, you won't be getting this high values. Like you will be getting small values so that you can calculate it through the calculator only.
Ma'am, for calculating this such type of problems, first we calculate 39 factorial, then 8 factorial. Means separately we do
No, you
everything.
can
Then
calculate like 39. Oh, what is 39? So you can write. So this is 31 gas. So 39 till 32. Then 31 factorial. It will be 31 factorial. You just have to. So this will get cancelled. 31 factorial into 8 factorial. These things will get cancelled. So I will be left out with this thing divided by 8 factorial. Similarly, for the 52 factorial divided by 8 factorial, 40, right? It will be 42. 44, 44, right? So like if you calculate this thing, 52 into like 45, after 44 factorial divided by 44 factorial, this will get cancelled. So you will be left out with some of the values. You have to cancel it. So you have to solve it like that. So it will be much easier for you to solve it. But in the exam, you won't be getting this lengthy values. Like you won't be having these kind of equations. So it will be like small so that it is like time. It is not time consuming and it will be easy for you to calculate from the like the scientific calculator like you get in the gate exam. Okay. Is it fine?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So it was 11.6. So no doubts in 11.6. Shall we move forward to 11.7?
Move, ma'am.
Huh?
Move.
Sorry?
Move, ma'am.
Yeah. So 11.7, you have any doubts from 11.7?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 11.8?
No, ma'am, I haven't.
Yeah, I haven't solved it. Okay. So after like, I guess from 11.6, nobody has solved any activity questions, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
I
have
solved
I
every
have
activity.
got in practice assignment, ma'am.
Okay. What's your doubt in practice assignment?
Just a second, ma'am. The question number 13 and 16, ma'am.
13 and 16.
Ma'am,
Six, the shopkeeper says the mobile phone. Demand for the mobile phones of Porsche with mean 4.6. The shopkeeper has 5 mobile phones in his shop for the mobile phones in that week. So they are saying that in the question they have been the demand for the a shopkeeper sells mobile phones. The demand for mobile phone follows a Porsche distribution with a means 4.6 per week. Okay. So if my X is following Porsche distribution with lambda as a parameter and there, so what is my lambda according to the question?
4.6.
It will be 4
4.6.
per week. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, next sentence is the shopkeeper has 5 mobile phone in his shop at the beginning of a week. So he has in total, like my, let's suppose my phone, total phones he is having is 5. Okay. Now, find the probability that this will not be enough to satisfy the demand for a mobile phones in that week. That means it is not satisfying. That means I need to find out what if my X is following the demands of mobile phones. Okay. So if it's not satisfying the demands for the mobile phones, that means I have to calculate that the number of mobile phones is greater than 5, that the demand of my phones is greater than 5. That's why they are not like satisfying the demands for the people, correct?
But ma'am, in this, he have only 5 mobile phones, and we have to calculate probability of will not be enough to satisfy. So
Yeah.
I think that x is less than equal to 5 we should
No, no,
calculate.
no, 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 no. Let's suppose you're going to a shop, okay? And in that shop, they are only having three phones, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, three phones, like he is having three phones. Now, like four customers arrived at your shop. Okay, you are having a shop in which you are having three phones with you. Now, four customers have arrived. Have you like satisfied the demand
No,
to
ma'am.
mobile phones, right? So when is that condition happened? Because I had less phones, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so when I'm going to unsatisfy the customers, if I'm having more than three customers, correct, according to your situation, if I had greater than three, then only I can satisfy the situations, right, customers, correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so similarly, so I'm having five phones. So if I have to unsatisfy the demands of the phone, it should be greater than five, then only I can unsatisfy the customers or anyone who is coming to my shop, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
You got the point? If I'm
Yes,
having
ma'am.
five customers with me, then only I can, like, I won't be able to satisfy the demands of phone, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I understand. I understood opposite, like 5 mobile phones and customers other
No,
than.
no, they're talking. So here my X is what? The demands of phones. Who is demanding? The customers are demanding. So if my customers is greater than five, then only I won't be able to satisfy the demands of phone, correct?
Yeah, ma'am. I got it.
Same. So you have to calculate probability of X greater than five. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I will do it. And question number 16, ma'am.
Calculate the value of expectation of X plus Y. What is the question? Six men and five women apply for a position. Two of the applicants are selected for the interview. The random variable X and Y denote the number of male and number of female in the interview. Then, based on the given information, answer the following questions.
My dot is it, ma'am, that e of x plus y is equal to e of x plus e of y, and
Correct.
then e of x, I think 6. I mean, x is denoting that male. So probability of it 6 by 11,
Huh. For male, it will be 6 by 11.
and probability of y, that is female, is 5 by 11.
Hmm. Correct.
So, so ma'am, by adding both, we will get 1.
See, expectation of X plus Y we have to calculate, correct? This will be equal to expectation of X plus expectation of Y. Now, what they are choosing from. Now, what is expectation of X? Expectation of X, that is the probability of choosing the two applicants, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, two applicants, like expected number of men, right? So I can so expectation of X can be calculated like, let's suppose I'm having some situations. Okay, so I can have a situation in which both are men, both are women, and one man and one woman, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I can have that kind of situation. But here, expectation of X is that it's a man, correct?
Yeah.
So it will be 2 into 6 by 11, correct?
2 into 6 by 11. Why 2, ma'am?
2 is I'm choosing two people, right?
Okay.
Okay, so this will be like 12 by 11. Now, similarly, expectation of Y, it will be choosing two people,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So this will be 2 into 5 by 11, correct? So this is what 10 by 11. So if you calculate this value, you will be getting 22 by 11, which is
Yes,
equals to,
ma'am.
okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I understood this question in this way, that we have to select two applicants.
Uh,
So that way, X plus Y will always be 2, since sir has told this way.
yeah, the X plus Y will always be 2 because there are only two applicants, right? So my expectations will also always be 2 here only.
Yes, ma'am. Means we don't have to calculate this. It directly we do.
Directly V2. Yeah, you can say that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain the weekly extra activity for what we do?
Weekly extra activity 4.
Yes, ma'am.
I think like just go through the instruction videos that you have from like descriptions. You have right? Tomorrow is the deadline, right? See, you
Yes,
have,
ma'am.
yeah, so you have to collect a data set, okay, and from the data set you have to do something kind of like a model a data set and verify it. So you have to calculate you have to approximate that variable or something with the discrete random variable, like if it's a binomial, if it's a Poisson, or if it's a hypergeometric. Like if it's a binomial, then you have to calculate all the probabilities and everything. They have given you a sample example as well, right? So in that they have taken the example like the data of an IPL, okay, and okay, so they have put the binomial thing, I guess. Total number of innings, number of fours in 13s, and number of innings. So they have calculated the number of fours and the number of innings in that number of fours, right? And then they have calculated, like they have defined one variable, and with that they have calculated all the probabilities. With that probabilities, they have then they have like binary experimental. Okay. Yeah, so you have to draw a graph and everything. Like you have to approximate the values and everything with a variable. What discrete random variable it's showing. You have to calculate all the probabilities. Then you have to make a graph and everything. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And
Ma'am, if we
for
do
the
not
week 12,
complete this activity,
If we don't complete this activity.
because I have completed three of them and these take a lot of time, like minimum 3 days,
Yeah.
and I have not touched this fourth one.
See, we will just be taking the um like few percent of the marks from each of the activities, right? So it will just be like for the marks only, you are like bonus marks. So it's fine. If you have done
Yes,
three, then
ma'am, I have completed three of them and they
yeah,
took a lot of time, right?
yeah,
Minimum 3 days for one activity. And for this one, I want to focus on the exam now, so
yeah,
completing it is going to.
yeah. It's totally fine. If you have not done it, it's fine. It's not an issue. We are just taking
Ma'am,
like we're taking the
it
best
will affect a CGPA.
CGPA. Like it's a bonus point, right? So if you get a good bonus, then it will affect your CGPA. It's not, then it won't.
And what will be the percentage of each activity out of these four?
Sorry,
What will be the percentage of each activity in the bonus marks?
that is like a that we decide later on. Like I don't remember it right now. We take I think we take the best three or something kind of something.
I have two questions. One is that continuing with the weekly activity thing, that the third week activity I have completed, even the score is updated in the extra activity part, but it's not being updated in the dashboard. Why is
Yeah,
that?
because it has not been updated. Like from our side, it has not been updated. So like it
Okay,
take a while. Just like wait till this week. We will update.
okay,
Yeah, from our side, it has not been done.
okay. And with
Ma'am,
regard to
may
week
I
12,
ask a
with,
question?
with regard to week 12, are
Hmm.
we going to, because tomorrow is the deadline for week 12 also,
Yeah,
won't we have a summary
yeah.
or we
Tomorrow,
won't have an introduction for the part?
tomorrow you will be having an open session for week 12. Yeah, in
Hello,
the
What
calendar.
ma'am.
time is it?
Update.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry?
No, in the calendar it has been updated that tomorrow you will be having a week 12 open session.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
Hello,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
if
ma'am.
I didn't submit week 12 graded assignment, it will affect anything as
No, no, no.
well we have same date.
No, no, it's fine. Like week 11 and 12, the graded assignments, uh, uh, they are not graded. So in the sense, like till week 10 only, the scores we take. But if you solve graded assignment like for week 11 and 12, it will help you in the exam. That's it.
Ma'am, we will solve it just like practice means we need not to submit it before the deadline or anything.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask that when will we get student ID, ma'am?
Which student ID?
I mean, student ID will be provided, na?
Student mail ID maybe.
Yeah.
May that I guess you have to contact the support team. Have you
Okay.
contacted like yeah, just mail them because I don't know about this thing. So you have to ask them.
They do not reply on this. I have
Like,
mailed them. They didn't reply anything. Just closed the case. Okay.
Ma'am, they reply, I'm working on it, ma'am.
working on what?
We are with you.
What we are with you.
They replied to the support on the support ticket. He needs to say that we are with you. That's it. For
Okay.
the IDs, email IDs.
You means me.
Ma'am, they tell
He got a
our
reply
team
from
is working
support
on
ticket.
it.
No,
Excuse me, ma'am.
what he means to say is if he is writing to the DS support, they
Hmm.
are replying that we are with you, it will take some time. So
Oh,
that's a thing normally
okay.
happens. I mean,
Hello,
because they
ma'am.
have to address a lot of things, so they normally give
Exactly. Yeah.
weightage to each and thing in a different way.
Okay. So okay,
Hello,
I'll
ma'am.
yeah.
So I wanted to know for this upcoming exam whether more weightage will be given to the which from 9 to 12 or the whole syllabus will be given equal weightage.
More to 9 to 12. Like 60% 9 to 12, 40% 1 to 8. No, 1 to 8.
Okay, okay.
Okay, for the student ID, I'll just check with the support team what's like, and if there
And
is an
ma'am, for ID card too.
student, okay, check. I'll just ask. Yeah. Okay. Anything else? So
Ma'am,
weekly, yeah.
Ma'am, can you
ma'am,
tell
if
about house?
ma'am is the uniform distribution is included in the phase three syllabus?
Sorry, uniform distribution.
Yes, ma'am. It is in the week 12.
Yeah, it's in week 12.
Ma'am, is it in the week three phase three syllabus?
Which syllabus? End-term syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's there. So I'm just repeating it once again for all of you. From week 12 and 11, all the distributions will be coming except normal distribution. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah. So except normal distribution, every distribution, every like binomial, Bernoulli, exponential, Poisson, uniform, hypergeometric, these all distributions will be coming. Is it fine?
Ma'am, normal distribution is a topic of week 12.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, ma'am. This will not come in end exam.
Only normal distribution is not coming. Other than that, everything is coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how we join student houses?
That I don't know. Okay.
Ma'am, you are also senior of this degree.
Senior of
This degree.
which thing?
Ma'am, some say that the teaching assistant are seniors.
Yeah, the TAs. I guess Hardik and Kaushal are your TAs, right? So they are your seniors. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you provide week 11 summary lecture?
I guess on Friday we had the summary lecture. So you can just go through that video. Okay.
Ma'am, where we find video?
In the playlist we have for stats one. Or from the calendar, they have a link, like they attach the YouTube link. You can just go through that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that mail
I
was
have a
from
doubt with regard
IIT
to
Madras Pravartak.
Sorry?
IIT Madras Pravartak team.
IIT Madras.
Pravartak.
Who is Pravartak?
And that I don't know.
So like you are telling me that you got
you
mail.
didn't write to the support.
Something like out of the box thinking from IIT Madras.
Okay, so I'm just let's okay. So week 11 is
Okay,
yeah,
I
Sridhar.
have doubt with regard to graded assignment 11. The very first question is the problem that there isn't, but what I see is on the right hand side, it says 0 points.
Okay, let me 0 point. Match predictor claims that he can predict. Okay, maybe I don't know. Okay, 0 point. Okay. Okay, I'll just check into it with the support team.
And
Yeah,
if I
have
see
you
that,
solved this question?
yeah, but that's the reason I was, because you mentioned that graded 11, 12 is not considered for the grading. So I
Yeah.
thought, like, could I actually discuss with you this question?
Yes, match can claim that you can predict the result of a match. 4 to 6 matches. 4 of 6 matches. Okay. So 4, 5, 6. That will be from. Okay, what is it that his claim gets rejected? So it will be less than, so it will be 1, 2, 3. So they are saying that a match 86% of the time. So probability of success that predict correctly is 0.86. If it is agreed that his claim will be accepted if he correctly predicts the results of at least. So if he is predicting at least 4 of 6 matches, his claim is accepted. So we have to calculate the probability that his claim is
Ma'am, your
getting.
voice is breaking.
Sorry? Now is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. So they are asking you what is the probability that his claim is getting rejected. So when it is getting rejected, when it is less than 4, correct? Because like if my x is equal to the probability that his claim gets accepted, so that will be what? Probability of that is x greater than equal to 4, right?
Yes.
So if his claim is getting rejected, that means that he is like at most no less than 4 matches. If he predicts I guess like it should be less than 4, then only we can say his probability, like his claim is getting rejected. Because if he's predicting for greater than 4, then his claim is getting accepted. So less than 4, it will be rejected. So you have to calculate less than 4. Okay. So this question, why it's 0? Okay, I'll just look into the why it's 0. By tomorrow I'll just look into it. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, my one document is rejected in document verification. So what I have to do?
Just see all of these things you have to contact with the support team. Yeah. because I don't have any idea regarding these issues. So
And
just
from there, I can contact them.
the support mail ID, you will be having some support mail ID, right? Support at the rate, what's the ID? Support at the rate iitm.ac.in, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so week 11 is overall, like overall you have understood what's week 11?
Yeah.
.ac.in, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow you will be having week 12. Then we will be having the revision session and everything. Okay. Okay. So if
Week 12,
huh,
from week 12, what is going to be in the exam? Because I see here a few topics. Standard normal distribution, as you mentioned, it is not going to come. Then from week 11, I do not. Uh, how about this non-uniform and triangular distributions? These are going to be in the exam.
no, there is non-distribution. No, where is it? Non-uniform. That is not there. Triangular non-uniform is not there.
Okay. So only uniform from week 12.
Uniform, then exponential. Ah, okay.
Continuous random variable
Huh.
exponential distribution. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, then shall we end the meet now if you don't have any issues, any doubts or
Am
anything?
I told that in English and in Hindi the content are different? As I have seen in lecture 12.1, ma'am doesn't teach about uniform distribution.
Lecture 1.8. The second thing, na 12.1, 12.18, uniform distribution. For that only we are having the Hindi recording, right?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
For lecture 12.1a, for that only we are having the Hindi recordings. Like from that, from starting that only, we are having the Hindi recordings.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you just like go like click on 12.1a lecture, like so underneath the ma'am's lecture, there is the Hindi recording link is there, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you just click that, it will be the same recording as the professor is teaching you.
Okay. I think that has been updated later on.
Maybe, yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are you provide statics PYQ?
No. You will be having the mock a mock for end term. You like we will be releasing the mock for end term. You have to do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
PYQs are available on acegrade.in.
What?
Where?
Ma'am,
Yes.
then normal distribution, exponential distribution, angular distribution, and non-uniform distribution are not included in the phase 3 syllabus.
You're not audible. What?
Normal distribution,
Hmm.
exponential distribution, non-uniform distribution, and triangular distribution are not included in the phase 3 syllabus.
Normal and non-uniform are not there.
Then triangular distribution are there.
Normal, like non-uniform and triangular are same kind of. So non-uniform, triangular, and normal. They are not coming.
and exponential is in the included.
Huh. Okay, so is it fine? Is it okay? Shall we end the meet? Or is there anything else?
I have
Okay.
basic doubt. Is it, can I just think a minute? In the case of Poisson distribution that we actually discussed, is it something that I can also expect a negative value there?
For Poisson? No.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Thank you.
Yeah. Because the lambda is always greater than 0.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Because when I was solving, I had a kind of incident that it was going negative. I was wondering whether is it possible that.
No. For Poisson, it is always greater than 0 with positive values.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Bye. Good night.
Okay. Good night, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.